Ik heb al gekeken op internet en dat het goed is. Maar, de lamp ligt er vast op.
So we finally managed to get the bumper loose, and we already got one lamp out. Now we're now we're preparing the brand new light to get in the car. But first we need to set some lights over lamps connectors to the new lamp, and then from the new we can. Damn my English. Then from the new lamp we can put everything back and do the same on the other side, and then we're done for today. Or not done. Then we're gonna install JZX 100 arms on my Lexus. Not this one, but the black one. With some new spacers on the front. So that's gonna sit nice with some camber on the front.
Alright guys, so we replaced this. Oh no, we didn't replace, we used this from the old lamp.
We swapped it.
We swapped it.
We converted this from the old lights to the new light. And it's basically everything is plug and play.
Yeah.
Just need to convert the old stuff to the new light. And then put it back in the car. And then maybe and then yeah. And then put it back in the car, and we should be done for today. Oh no, then we put the JZX one on.
JZ, what?
The JZX arms.
Ah, heb je al?
Show them on the camera. It's in the box.
Welke box? Welke arms? Deze? These ones. Here. These ones. This one.
So we also ordered some side mark lights that go in the fender. They're blacked out. They have a dark tint and they're also LEDs. These are like clear, ugly with a bulb in it. So now we're gonna replace these. Gonna look very cool with the front headlights. And they're just gonna fit in the car. So we got this out of the old blinker. Don't forget to pull out the bulb. And then this connector is gonna go in here. Just like that.
Wait.
And then you put the connector back into the other connector.
Don't say that you love me when you Tonight I might be hanging from a what's inside of me, I feel so sliding in the beamer roller. Don't say that you love me when you don't. Tonight I might be hanging from a rope. What's inside of me, I feel so cold. Sliding in the beamer all alone. Don't say that you love me when you don't. Tonight I might be hanging from a rope.
Look at this upgrade.
And then the
Instantly,
fog lights.
it looks way better.
Hier nog de fog lights.
Ja.
Antenne eraf.
What's inside of me, I feel so